Hey football fans, welcome back to Quiz Eagle. Today's challenge is the FIFA World Cup quiz, where only true football experts can survive. You'll face 25 exciting football questions, and you'll have only 10 seconds to choose the correct answer before time runs out. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Quiz Eagle. Alright, football fans, let's kick off the challenge. Let's kick things off. Which country won the first FIFA World Cup in 1930? Amazing start. It's option B, Uruguay. Here's an easy one. How often is the FIFA World Cup held? You nailed it, in every 4 years. Only true football fans know this. Which country has won the most FIFA World Cups? Excellent work. Brazil is the answer. Can you remember who won the 2018 FIFA World Cup? Fantastic. It's France. Which country hosted the 2018 FIFA World Cup? Brilliant answer. Option C, Russia. Do you know who won the 2022 FIFA World Cup? Great job. Argentina takes the point. Which country hosted the 2022 FIFA World Cup? Well done. The host was Qatar. Football legend alert. Who is known as the king of football? Outstanding. Pelé is the king of football. Can you name the player who has scored the most World Cup goals? Impressive knowledge. Miroslav Klose. Which country has won 4 FIFA World Cups? You're on fire. Italy is correct. Let's go back to 2006. Who won the FIFA World Cup? Nice one. Italy won the 2006 World Cup. Which country hosted the 2010 FIFA World Cup? Perfect. It is South Africa. Here's a tricky one. What is the FIFA World Cup trophy made of? Smart thinking. The trophy is made of gold. Do you remember who won the 2010 FIFA World Cup? Great memory. Spain lifted the trophy. Which country won the 2014 FIFA World Cup? Excellent choice. Germany is correct. Football history question. Which player headbutted in the 2006 World Cup final? You got it, Zidane. Which team is famously called La Albiceleste? Fantastic football knowledge. Argentina is La Albiceleste. And which team is known as Les Bleus? Brilliant. France is known as Les Bleus. Travel back to 1966. Which country won the FIFA World Cup? Well played, it's England. Can you remember who won the 2002 FIFA World Cup? Amazing! Brazil won the 2002 World Cup. One of the most famous moments in football history. Who scored the Hand of God goal? Legendary answer. Maradona scored the Hand of God goal. Which country hosted the 1994 FIFA World Cup? Excellent work. The USA hosted it. Who won the 1994 FIFA World Cup? You nailed it again, Brazil. Looking ahead to the present, how many teams will play in the 2026 FIFA World Cup? Football expert, 48 teams. Final challenge, which countries will host the 2026 FIFA World Cup? What a finish! USA, Canada and Mexico. Alright quiz masters, that's the end of today's challenge. How many did you get right out of 25? Let me know your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to subscribe to Quiz Eagle for more fun and brain boosting challenges. See you in the next video.